Do, 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 do. I can't do it. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. I am so excited to show you this. This came from, for the first time ever, we're doing a B&M unboxing, people. B&M. Yes, this is the Harry Potter notebook crystal canvas secret diary, apparently, as you can see. And one thing I noticed is it looks like Craft Buddies sort of packaging, and this came from B&M. And look, Crystal Art secret diary by Craft Buddy. So stay tuned, because Craft Buddy must team up with B&M's, because they obviously sell their products in this. This was £8. It was a bit steep in price for notebook, but for some reason you've got a padlock attached to the key, and it reminds me so much of my childhood, because I used to have one of them like my childhood, and you put your secret notes in there, wouldn't you, and lock the key so that no one else could read your notes. So yes, I didn't buy it because of the key. I bought it because I'm a massive fan of Harry Potter. Now, inside here, as you can see, let's take a look and see what we got in here. Because, oh my days, I've never seen anything like this. Not like a notebook with keys before. And what sort of gave it away is because I thought, that doesn't look like standard sort of wax, where it's like just a pink sort of square. That looks like crystal, like Craft Buddy sort of wax. And it was, and oh my days. This, people, is absolutely gorgeous. So, 30, yeah, they've still got the elephant there. And do you know what? It was so annoying because, I was like, we won't do a come shop with me because there's probably not going to be anything there. And then the one time I don't do a come shop with me, they've got new products. Why is it always the way? It's always the way, isn't it? But let's take a look at this beautiful set. Oh, wow. Oh, my God, we've got squashy. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. A squashy as well, and it's purple. Oh, you know who's going to love this, don't you? Roxanne will love this, because this is purple. She'll love that. She likes her Halloween. I'm not going to get all the colours out. You've got yourself a white tray and some bags there. You've got this beautiful... if I can get it out, it's like one of them... unscrew 3 tabs of wax thing going on here. This is absolutely stunning. I will get the packets out just to show you, but for some reason they're individually wrapped. You got your black there, the blue. We'll put that down there. We've also got ourselves a red here. Oh, that's a very nice red. Look at that. It's probably that colour, isn't it? So we got that. We've got ourselves... I'm actually concerned if one colour's missing, which is why if we only got one pack in there. Hopefully we've got all the colours. Because if not, I'll have to double check it, but it will have to go back. Always keep your receipt, because this one's got one colour as well. But this is D, as you can see. And then in here we've got green. You see, some have one, and then others up here have 2. So we've got yellow, and then a smaller yellow there, a lighter yellow, and then a blue. So I hope there are no colours missing, because if there was, I'm not going to be best happy. So we've got A, we've got B. Let's have a look here. So B, yeah. We've got C, which is up there. We've got D, which is there. We've got H, which is there. We've got G, which is that one. We have... was it black that was missing? Yeah, A's there, lovely. And then we've got an F and an E. Do you know what? I think all the colours are there. I'm just panicking a bit. But, oh, look at this. So, the secret diary, eh? Oh, we've got a slip here. That's just telling you how it goes. And then what's this? Oh, wow, they've given us a Shemetic. Congratulations on your purchase of a genuine crystal art product. Oh, that's fabulous. Wow, this is lovely, isn't it? Oh, it feels really nice quality. Oh, the stick is perfect. Wow, let's test out this. The only thing is obviously this is linked to that. So how the hell do you open the lock? So what we'd have to do is, obviously in this case, is we'd have to get the key. I'll always remember that scene, in the scene that there's a scene in Pirates of the Caribbean, and Orlando Bloom while Davy Jones is sleeping, because the Flying Dutchman must always have a captain. And as he's sleeping, he unhooks the key from Davy Jones that is under his tentacles, and that's how they stab the heart of Davy Jones, which is inside the chest. So in here, let's have a look, see if we can wiggle this out. Oh my god, this is very strange. This is a strange lock. It's like all over the place. It's like a wibbly woo. What a strange key. Doesn't seem to sit into nothing. This is a very strange lock. All right, there we go. I think he says. I mean, it's just like weird. There we go. Ha-ha! So, has anyone written me? Have they sent me a love note? Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, that is absolutely... This is stunning. And then, obviously, you don't have to have the lock on there, but you've got this gorgeous, look, lovely Valentine's heart lock there. And then, obviously, the idea is that goes through there. You could buy yourself a padlock if you wanted to, but the idea is that this diary is personal to you. So don't put anything, you just click it into place, but don't put anything in there that you don't want, obviously, any other people to see, you know, because that's why they've put a lock on it. It's personal to you. But yeah, wow, I'm very impressed. And the thing is, I almost walked past it and then I saw it and I was like, oh, that is gorgeous. I love it. So nice. So yeah, that is our notebook. Very happy with that. Absolutely gorge. And yeah, from Craft Buddy apparently. So as I say, this came from B&M's. So it's entirely up to you if you wanted to, you know, get it for yourself. But yeah, absolutely fabulous. And something I forgot to show you in the range, which I'll just quickly show you, is Pauline. I did manage to find this. So I got myself this time a carrot cake candle from the Wickford & Co. company. They've still not got that hot cross bun. And yeah, so I got that, and also two other things that I got. I have got myself from the range, I forgot to show you this, so I'll show it in this video, but I got these gorgeous sets of kitchen towels. It's like Be Happy, so I've always been on the look for kitchen towels, but this is like one towel. It was really expensive, like £2 for one towel. You'd expect to have a few more with that, but I thought that was quite nice. My mum said obviously white's the worst colour because it can get like dirty and stuff, but that was that. And then also because Easter's coming up, I found this, which is an Easter tablecloth for £1, and basically you colour it in. So you know I said in the range that Teddy's been colouring in this tablecloth. That's what they are. They basically sell them like that, and then they get to colour it in. So I thought that would be a great gift for Easter for him, so that he can colour in his own, you know, Easter things. But yeah, lots of things coming up with the diamond paint. But I'll tell you something, this is absolutely fantastic. I love it, love it, love it. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Always tap that notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video pops up on the channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.